Hello and welcome to this video on how to level up your English with smarter word choices. Today, we're going to look at common phrases we use in everyday conversations, like very hot and very tired, and how you can replace them with more expressive alternatives. We'll cover everything from explanations and sentence transformations to quizzes and short reading exercises. By the end, you'll feel more confident in your ability to use advanced vocabulary. Let's get started. Don't say very, boost your vocabulary with simple changes. Let's begin. Don't say very happy. Say ecstatic. Ecstatic. Context is crucial when describing emotions. Saying very happy may work in casual conversations, but when someone feels an intense surge of joy, ecstatic is a much more vivid and accurate word. It portrays a deeper level of happiness that can better describe special moments like winning a competition, receiving life-changing news, or celebrating personal achievements. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very happy, ecstatic, overjoyed, elated, thrilled. Ecstatic. Maria was ecstatic when she found out she had won the scholarship. Overjoyed. The family was overjoyed to be reunited after such a long time apart. Elated. Daniel felt elated after acing his final exams and receiving top honors. Thrilled. I was thrilled to meet my favorite author at the book signing event. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. I was very happy when I got the promotion. Kate felt very happy when she met her favorite celebrity. I was very happy when I won the competition. Gabriel was very happy about his promotion at work. Lily was very happy to hear the news. Lily was elated to hear the news. Gabriel was thrilled about his promotion at work. I was ecstatic when I got the promotion. I was overjoyed when I won the competition. Kate felt overjoyed when she met her favorite celebrity. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. (1) Harry was blank after hearing about his new job offer. A. Very happy. B. Ecstatic. C. Sad. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for ecstatic? A. Upset. B. Annoyed. C. Thrilled. 3. The bride was blank when she saw the beautiful wedding venue. A. Ecstatic. B. Upset. C. Very happy. (4) Which word is a synonym for ecstatic? A. Overjoyed. B. Disappointed. C. Indifferent. 5. Which word is most similar to elated? A. Unenthusiastic. B. Miserable. C. Thrilled. 6. Jane felt blank after receiving a surprise party from her friends. A. Very happy. B. Elated. C. Sad. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. Samantha couldn't believe her luck when she won the art competition. She felt ecstatic as she held the trophy, her heart swelling with pride. When she called her parents to share the news, they were overjoyed, their excitement bursting through the phone. The entire family gathered that night, with Samantha still feeling elated from the day's events. As she recounted her experience, her younger brother was equally thrilled, already dreaming about his own chance to participate next year. Ecstatic. Don't use very happy, use ecstatic to express overwhelming joy. Let's proceed with a new one. Don't say, very hungry. Say, ravenous. Ravenous. The word very hungry might not capture the intensity of how someone feels when they haven't eaten for a long time. Ravenous better communicates extreme hunger. Use this word when someone is craving food with urgency, like after a long workout, a day of fasting, or extensive physical activity. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very hungry, ravenous. Famished, starving. Voracious. Ravenous. After fasting for the entire day, they were absolutely ravenous and ate everything in sight. Famished. I missed lunch, so by dinner time, I was famished and couldn't wait to eat. Starving. We were starving after the long hike, and the smell of food made our mouths water. Voracious. Her voracious appetite for books meant she could finish a novel in just one day. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The kids were very hungry after the soccer game. Carol was very hungry after the long meeting. Veronica and Tom were very hungry after swimming all day. After the hike, we were very hungry and needed food fast. Mark and Sally were very hungry after the long bike ride. Carol was famished after the long meeting. After the hike, we were famished and needed food fast. Mark and Sally were voracious after the long bike ride. The kids were starving after the soccer game. Veronica and Tom were ravenous after swimming all day. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. After running a marathon, the athlete was blank and needed to eat right away. A. Very hungry. B. Ravenous. C. Full. 2. Choose the word closest in meaning to ravenous. A. Content. B. Uninterested. C. Famished. 3. The children came home from school feeling blank and asked for a snack right away. A. Famished. B. Content. C. Very hungry. 4. After the long hike, the group was blank and couldn't wait to eat. A. Very hungry. B. Content. C. Voracious. 5. Which word is most similar in meaning to famished? A. Full. B. Ravenous. C. Uninterested. 6. Following their intense workout, the athletes were blank and devoured their meal. A. Satisfied. B. Very hungry. C. Starving. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. After a long hike through the mountains, the group reached their campsite, feeling utterly ravenous. They quickly set up a fire, eager to cook the food they had packed. By the time the meal was ready, they were famished, devouring every last bit of it in minutes. John, who hadn't eaten much for breakfast, was practically starving, while Emily's voracious appetite made her go for seconds. That evening, they laughed and reminisced about the day, finally satisfied and full after their hearty meal. Ravenous. Don't use very hungry, use ravenous to convey a strong feeling of hunger. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, small changes in your word choices can make a big difference in how fluent and natural your English sounds. Practice using these new synonyms, try the quizzes, and don't forget to transform those basic sentences into more descriptive ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.